Whether you travel full-time or you're a weekend warrior, if you move locations often in your RV, you're probably familiar with the setup and teardown process, especially if you have plants. Yes, it's possible to RV with plants. I have done it. Securing your items can save a lot of time and make traveling more enjoyable. Let's take a look at 5 quick tips to keep things in your RV in place. Let's go. First on the list, tension rods in the refrigerator. Have you ever arrived to your RV spot, opened the door to find the refrigerator door open and scattered beans all over the floor? I have. Try a tension rod to hold refrigerated items in place. Second on the list is earthquake putty and Gorilla Tape. Decorations are great to make your RV feel like home, but it can make the pack-up process take a little too long. If you'd like to keep plants and items on the shelf while driving, try earthquake putty. This will hold your decorations in place and dramatically cut down on the setup and tear down process. Need something a little more secure? Gorilla Tape is great for heavier items or for surfaces that are uneven or aren't smooth enough for earthquake putty to take hold. Third on the list, bungee cords. We use bungee cords for everything from temporarily keeping our doors and chairs in place while traveling to permanently securing things like planters and vases. Fourth on the list, 3M hooks. 3M hooks are great for securing things like holiday decor to your walls, windows, or doors without leaving permanent marks or holes in the wall. We don't like to use these much for permanent decor as they tend to not hold up well during travel, but for temporary decor, they're great. Fifth on the list, good old-fashioned screws and cup hooks. We've attached all of our picture frames and art you see on the wall back here with either screws or cup hooks. We bought all of our wood frames with enough margin around the edge to be able to drill a hole and secure them straight to the wall. Metal frames like this one you see behind me here are perfect for securing by cup hook. Now get to securing those plants and wall art in your RV. We hope you found this helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time.